Emperor Meiji, the Modernizer of Japan. Long ago, Japan was a quiet country with many old traditions. People wore kimonos, lived in wooden houses, and used swords. Japan's people were strong, but they didn't use new inventions from other countries. Japan closed its doors to the world for many years, keeping other countries and new ideas away. Then in 1868, a young man named Mutsuhito became the emperor. He was only 15 years old. When he became emperor, he took the name Emperor Meiji. Emperor Meiji looked around and saw that Japan needed to change to become stronger. Emperor Meiji wanted to open Japan's doors to the world. He believed Japan could learn from other countries like England, America, and France. He wanted to make Japan modern, so he brought in trains, telegraphs, and new schools. The people could now travel faster, talk across great distances, and learn new things. With new schools, children started learning math, science, and other subjects from around the world. Young men even went to study in other countries and came back with new ideas. In the past, only samurais, strong skilled warriors, were allowed to carry swords. Emperor Meiji knew that Japan needed more than just swords to protect itself, so he created a new army with guns and new uniforms. People began to dress differently too. They wore Western style clothing like suits and dresses. The streets filled with busy people, new buildings, and the exciting sounds of trains and telegraphs. Under Emperor Meiji, Japan grew strong and respected. He brought Japan into a new age. Many people admired his courage to change. Emperor Meiji knew that learning from others didn't mean forgetting Japan's culture. He respected Japan's old ways but added new things to help Japan grow. Emperor Meiji ruled for 45 years. By the end of his rule, Japan was no longer a quiet country. It was a strong and powerful place, known and respected by other nations around the world. Moral of the story: change can be good. Learning new things can make us stronger, just like it did for Japan.